So in today's video we have our Ipsy Plus for July 2022 and the Ipsy Glam Bag for July 2022. Now, I have a lot to say about this with these prices, with these beauty boxes, and yeah. So if you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money anymore to get these beauty boxes, then keep on watching. Alright, really quickly, you know I have the AC on because it is hot in here, and I do film in the attic. And these are gifted to me through Ipsy Open Studios, but you guys know I give my honest opinion. I do not get Ipsy any longer. I canceled all my accounts. I'm just overwhelmed. But I do get these in PR, and I will continue to unbox them every month as long as Ipsy does send them to me. These prices are going up. So, the Ipsy Glam Bag was $13. Now they're charging $1.99 for handling fee, whatever the heck that is. So this is like $15 a month. I remember when these were $10 a month. And then the big boy, the Ipsy Plus, was $28, and now they're, I think, what is it, $1.99 as well? So, I mean, it's over $30 now a month. So, let's see what's inside, see if it's even worth the price, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so for the theme for July is soak it all in, and baby, that's what I'm trying to do with these price increases. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's do the Glam Bag first. First of all, the bag is so cute. I love this color. It's beautiful. It's like a baby blue / turquoise, and I love the little starfish right there. So the bags are a plus. I think it's great. I do love the bags, and I really like this month's July bag. You know what I mean? I think it's really nice. Okay, so the first thing is from Golden Faden MD. And what you be? This is a Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer. And let's see. So it has a little safety seal, which we like that. Very sanitary. Let's see. Alright. I just want to see like the texture. Oh yeah, and it's like kind of little... It's like medium. It's not too thick, but not too thin. You know what I mean? It's a nice moisturizer. I like it. Okay, the next thing is from Kinship. And this is an Energizing Brightening Eye Cream. Would you look how tiny this is? I mean, let's just be real. You don't need a lot for eye cream. You definitely don't, you know, but my God, can they get a little bigger?
That's what she said.
It does have a safety seal, so that's pretty good. It's like the prices are going up and the samples are getting smaller, you know what I mean? But Kinship is, I can't get this thing off, is a good brand. I do like their lip balms. Okay, I only want to do a little bit. Ooh, and it's yellow. Okay. I don't know why I smelled it, but this is nice. This is a really nice eye cream. Yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. And as I'm looking in the ring light, it's filled almost up to the top, so that's good. But you know, she's tiny. Okay, so the next thing is from Prestige, and this looks like an eyeliner, I think. And what shade? Please don't be black. Oh, smoky green. Yes. I got the lotion on, so I can't twist it. Let's see.
3 days later.
That took me a minute. I still have the plastic on the cap. Okay, so it's the automatic, and let's see. Oh, I have the air conditioner on eco, so it'll go off and come back on. All right, so this is more like an olive green. Did I say mint green? What shade did it say? Oh, smoky green. Okay. It's a pretty color. I wish, like, especially for July, it's summer, to have, like today I have, like, a blue, like a turquoise blue eyeliner in my waterline. So that's what I wish. It's more like summery colors, but, I mean, it's not black, so that's pretty good. You know what I mean? All right, so we have 2 more products. Oh, this is my favorite. So this is from Benefit. This is the Bad Girl Bad Gal Bang mascara. And these are like $12, $13. I know because I always get them and get the full size. And you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So today I only have 2 mascaras on today. It's the Douce and then I have the Thrive. But I love this mascara so much. So I'm definitely glad to get it. I'm not going to open it up to show the wand because I have so many mascaras open. But I can definitely tell you this is one of my favorite. This and the Thrive Cosmetics are my favorite mascara. So I'm really glad to get that. And last but not least is from Smashbox. And this is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I have tried this before. I do have the full size. And I like it as well. So. And this feels pretty much filled too. I haven't heard Smashbox in a while. Have you? I don't think anybody ever talks about that brand anymore. All right, so let's recap everything I got in my, should I say, $15 bag now. So we got the Smashbox primer, which I really do like this, so I'm happy to get this. We got the Bad Gal mascara from Benefit. Love this mascara too. I'm really happy to get this. We have the Kinship Brightening Energizing Eye, I was going to say treatment, but eye moisturizer, which it feels pretty good. I don't know how it's going to work until I try it, but I'm happy to get that. Anything for the eyes, I'm always happy to get. We have this daily moisturizer. This is, you know, I've got this in my bag before, but it feels like a great moisturizer, you know? And then we have the smoky green eyeliner. Now, I wish, like I said, it's a personal preference that we got some blues, purples, you know, stuff like that, but it's not black. So I'm not going to complain too much. So overall in my bag, I think it's a great box. I mean, a great box, a great bag this month. I mean, because right here, these are like $12, $13. They almost pay for the bag. So is this worth the $15? Yes, you definitely get your value of the $15. You know what I mean? But I mean, it's like, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Like, what the heck is $1.99? What is handling fee? Like, what is that even? If you know, let me know down below. All right, and then we have the big boy. This is the Ipsy Plus. Like I said, this was $28 a month, and they did add on, I believe, the $1.99 for handling as well. So it's over $30 now. Okay. The first thing already, I'm happy. This is a palette. This is from Violet Voss. It's the Ambitious Violet eyeshadow palette. You guys know I cannot read. Ambitious. The
dumbest thing you could have said. What are you, an idiot?
Oh my God. Whew, that went right over me. Okay, so we have this. Oh, that's pretty. I like the packaging. And there's the back. So you have a little mirror. And these are the colors. Very, very pretty. Again, I'm seeing more fall. But, I mean, I wear these colors in the summer too, you know? So let's see. I do like Violet Voss's formula. So here are 4 swatches. All right, and that's just going in one time. That's really pretty. That's a shimmer color. And it feels like the regular Violet Voss formula, you know? So I'm glad to get this. Okay, the next thing is from Murad, and this is the Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier. SPF 45. So this is a moisturizer. Now, I don't really suffer from acne, but my youngest son does, Isaiah, so I'll definitely give this to him. I don't know. I cannot get him. Now, he's 17. He'll be 18 this month, actually, July 19th. And I have him using cleanser, but I cannot get him to moisturize his face. So I'll try to get him to use this. But Murad is a really good brand, so I'm not mad at it, you know? Okay, the next thing is from Item Beauty. So this is an Ipsy brand, and it says Juice Boost. What is this? Let's see. Oh, it's a lash primer, dual-ended. Ew, okay, all right, let's see. All right, so is this a mascara too? A purple mascara? Let's see. Oh, okay, so you have the primer and the mascara. Ooh, I don't usually wear colorful mascara. I use black usually, but this is really pretty. Like this will go with this, with the purple eyeshadow. Like just even if you have it on the bottom lash to put some oomph. Do you know what I mean? And then wear the black on top. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. All right, I'm definitely excited. I'm happy. All right, so far this is a really good bag. I got eyeshadow on the bag. Okay, the next thing is from Vamagas. I don't know. What are you? Rose infused lip oil. Okay, oh, you get 2 of them. I've really been into lip oils. Here's the thing. For my complexion, I don't look good with orangey colors. I don't know if this is peachy or orange. Red, okay. I like wearing red when I have like no makeup on and just wearing like a red lip. Or if you don't know, I have a second channel called Just Anne's World. And I do a lot of car vlogs. I do walk and talks. And I don't usually wear any makeup because it's still hot out, you know. But I will wear like red lipstick or a red lip oil, you know. So I'm happy to get this. This though, I'm going to swatch it because, you know, it's a lip oil, so it won't have too much pigment. Let me just see. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's more like a peachy, very light peachy. Ooh, I like. Yes, I do. All right, let me swatch the red. I've never heard of this brand. I'll put it right here. Yeah, that's nice. The first time I tried like real lip oils is from Manny MUA Lunar Beauty. And he came out with 3 lip oils. I love every single one of them. I really do. So, all right, I'm happy to get this. It's like a peachy color. See, this is why you can't speak too soon. You know what I mean? Never judge a book by its cover. You know what I'm saying? All right, and last but not least is this thing. What are you? Violetin Screen Time Hydra Mist. Ooh, has green tea and rose hip oil. All right, this type of stuff, again, I like taking with me when I do my walk and talks because when I'm sweating or hot or whatever, like I just spray my face with this, you know? So, because I carry like a little book bag with me and I have stuff in there. So I'll definitely, oh, it's a pump, so I can't spray. Let's see. I can always put this on it. And, oh, it is kind of like a spray. Okay. Oh, that smells amazing. Yes. Oh, I'm really happy to get this. All right, so let's recap everything I got in my Ipsy Plus. So we have this like rosehip oil spray, which I'm glad to get. Like I'll definitely use it. We have this Vamagas. I don't know how to pronounce it. Lip oils, which I'm really excited to have this. We have an eyeshadow palette. I'll never not get an eyeshadow palette. And the colors are pretty. I'll definitely use them. We have this. At first I was like, but I do like lash primer and the purple mascara. I think it's pretty. Did I even show you like the purple mascara? Look at that. Very pretty. And then we got this acne like control moisturizer, right? Was that everything?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
So overall, what do I think of the Ipsy Plus for, let's say, $30 now? I definitely think it's worth it again. I really, really do. See, if the prices are going up, as long as they keep improving the stuff in your bag, I don't have a lot of complaints. The only thing is, because the prices are going up, and let's be real, we can't afford to get 10 and 15 subscription boxes that we used to in the past few years ago. You know what I mean? So you really have to pick and choose what you want anymore, you know, and $30 is starting to get expensive every month, right? But so far, I mean, for this month, I would definitely pay $30 for this. I would use everything, but again, it's a personal preference. So let me know what you are getting in your Ipsy Plus or Ipsy Glam Bag. Do you still get the Plus? Do you just get the Glam Bag or what? Let me know down below. And also let me know where would you be satisfied if you got this in your bags. Let me know. Alright guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. That helps me out with engagement. Let me know how your day's going. Don't forget I do have that second channel. I will leave it down below if you're into more vlog style videos. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.